returning letter winner, Christian Pedersen, Jr. Now, 3-year letterman, kind of, it's kind of like just turned the team over to him last year, and we need to get him on my diet. We need to get him eating. I asked him a little while ago, I'm wanting keep eating. We need to get him on about the 7,000 calorie, per day diet. But did a good job running the team, leading the team. Always had a good attitude, and always made big shots. I mean, we were in the district tournament, and couldn't get a ball to go in, and just kind of like when he was a junior, made some big shots for us. So certainly he's one of the cornerstones of the team moving forward. So thank you.